So I put a light cap on my head every day, and I'm not embarrassed about it because if it works, nothing else matters. And this hat was sent to me from the brand for a video. I was really interested. Hair loss is something a lot of people deal with, and a lot of people are quiet about it, and I'm not just going to be one of those people. I've been keeping an eye on my hairline for a while now, and I decided to be proactive about it rather than waiting until I'm further down the road and have fewer options. After doing some reading on low-level laser therapy and what it actually does for hair follicles, I decided to give it a real run. And I want to be very clear about something from the start. I'm not giving this 1 month and calling it. Hair growth takes a while, and I'm going to commit to this for 3 to 6 months of consistent use before I'm making a real judgment on whether this is working or not. That's just the honest way to approach something like this, okay? So this does not feel like a cheap gimmick. The cap is adjustable, so it fits different sizes comfortably and sits snug enough that you're not constantly readjusting. It's got 528 total light emitters, which covers the full scalp, and that's the spec that matters here. A lot of cheaper services only cover part of the head, which defeats the purpose if your thinning is in multiple areas. So this one covers everything from hairline to crown, which for full scalp treatment is exactly what you want. It connects to either an adapter or a compatible power bank, which means you're not chained to the wall outlet for every session. I've been using mine plugged into a power bank while I watch TV. 10 to 30 minutes goes by faster than you think. So yeah, red light therapy for hair works by stimulating blood flow to the follicles, and I guess it energizes cells at the scalp level. So it's not a medication, it's not a topical, it's light energy working at the cellular level to wake up follicles that have slowed down. So that's the science behind it, and it's well documented enough that I feel comfortable adding this to my routine because I am in fact thinning up here, and the sessions are low effort. You put it on, you set the remote for your preferred time. I do about 20 minutes and just go about your business. There's no discomfort or anything, no sensation really other than a faint warmth. It's one of the most passive things you can add to a wellness routine, and the remote control means you're not fumbling with buttons on the cap itself, so you got all the buttons you need right here. So people always want to know, how soon will I see results? Well, I want to be straight with you, man, the same way I'd want someone to be straight with me. 1 month is not enough time. Hair growth cycles are long. 3 months is when you might start noticing early changes in shedding or density. I'm going to give it 6 months. That's where I'm going to hopefully start seeing some real before and after differences if the therapy is working for me. So I'm documenting mine, and I'll keep you updated as I go. But I'm not coming back here in 30 days expecting a full transformation. That's not how this works, and anyone telling you otherwise is setting you up for some true disappointment. This is for anyone who's serious about addressing hair thinning proactively and is willing to commit to the process properly. So if you're looking for a quick fix, this isn't going to give you that. I mean, nothing is. If you're the type of person who does the research, commits to the routine, give things a real chance, I think this cap is well built. It's got a full scalp coverage device that's worth adding to your routine. I'll be back with a proper update at the 3-month mark and then the 6-month mark. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below and hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.